Have you understood?
Oh, yeah.
Good. I will make you understand in the same way. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel with another video. In this video, I will make you learn how to convert a decimal number into a binary one and a binary into a decimal. So stay tuned because I'm going to teach you the easiest way possible to make you learn faster. So make sure to subscribe my channel and enable the notification bell to see more video of mine and to remain more in touch. Let's go. Start my video please. Sorry, I have to call. Start my video. Okay now.
So good to be back.
Here we are guys with our tutorial decimal number into binary and a binary into decimal. So to make it learn easier, I will make two columns in the left side and in the right side. So first of all, I will draw the line in between. In the left side, we will solve the decimal into binary, and in the right side we will convert binary into decimal. So first of all, we will solve the decimal into binary. So just take a number casually, just like I took I will take 79 and draw this line, which is called dividing line. Now the only single step you have to do is to divide by 2. So divide by 2. So 79 divided by 2 is equal to 39 with the remainder of 1. And you have to write here the remainder. Now why the remainder is 1? Because 39 into 2 is equal to 78. It's not is equal to 79. So 78 plus 1 is equal to 79. Got it? So in the same way you have to divide by 2 all the resulting here. So 39 divided by 2 is equal to 19. So in the same way the remainder is 1 because 19 into 2 is equal to 38 is not is equal to 39. So 38 plus 1 is equal to 39. So let's move on. Divide by 2 is equal to here is equal to 9. So here also the remainder is 1 because you know now. Divide by 2. Here is 4. Here the remainder is 1 because 4 into 2 is equal to 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So let's move on. 2 is equal to 2. Now look at that. Now 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Here the remainder is 0. So you will write 0 here. Now divide by 2. Here is equal to 1. Now 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So the remainder is 0. Now divide again by 2. Now here 1 divided by 2 is equal to 0. 2 into 0 is equal to 0, but here we have 1, so we will write here 1. So this the remainder side is our binary, but watch it, we have to take binary from the downside to the upward side. So the binary of 79 is equal to 1 0 0 1 1 1 1. So that's it. This is the binary number of 79, sorry. So now we have to convert binary into decimal. Now binary into decimal, now for the ease of you, I will take the same binary just like here and convert into the decimal just like 79. We will get the result of 79. So let's write the binary. 1 0 0 1 1 1 1. Now this is our first step. Now the second step is to write downside, along the downside the digit, the number of 2 digit. So we'll write downside 1 2 2 2 and 2. Now our second step is to raise to the power these twos, but we have to start the raising of power from the right side, just like 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until the 2 don't end. Okay, so we will trace a line here. Now this is very important. You have to solve only those two who have the upside 1 digit. So in this case 2 raised to power 0 have 1 digit, so we have to solve it. So 2 raised to power 0 is equal to 1, because as we know that any number raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So we'll write 1 here. Now 2 raised to power 1 is equal to 2. We will solve it because there is a 1. So 2 raised to power 2, 1. So 4. 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 8. It has 1. So we have to solve it. 2 raised to power 4 has 0. So we have not solved it. We will write it 0. 2 raised to power 5. 2 raised to power 5 is equal to 0. It's just like it has 0 here. So we write here 2 raised to power 6 has 1. So we'll solve it. So it is equal to 64. Now the next step we have to do is to add this what we have got it plus we have to add it, just add it. So 64 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. Now 64 plus 8 plus 4 12 plus 2 plus 1 3. Now 64 plus 12 plus 3 15. Now 64 plus 15 is equal to 79. So here the result. So we got it. So in this side we have solved decimal into binary, and here binary into decimal. We will got the same answer. So hope you this video will be understanding of you. If you have any type of doubt, you can comment it downside. Don't hesitate it, and subscribe the channel for more videos like this, and see you the next time.